Is your Targus docking station not turning on? First, ensure the power adapter's wattage matches your laptop's requirements. A 65 watts adapter might not suffice for a laptop needing 100 watts. Check that the USB-C connection is secure. A loose connection can cause power failure. Try a power cycle reset. Unplug everything, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, and reconnect. Recent Targus docks have firmware updates available via the Targus app to improve power delivery stability. Keeping your firmware updated is crucial to prevent power-related issues. If problems persist, especially with high-power laptops, consider using a Thunderbolt-certified cable and ensure your laptop's BIOS is up to date for optimal USB-C support. If you continue to face problems, you may need to swap out your adapter or contact Targus support. If your Targus docking station powers on, but peripherals aren't working, it might be a USB-C connectivity issue. First, ensure your laptop fully detects the dock through the enumeration process. Try alternating USB-C ports on your laptop. Second, check your USB-C port and use a certified cable. You can also use a USB-C hub tester to diagnose faults. Third, make sure Targus drivers are up to date and install the newest firmware via the Targus app for modern docks. According to recent data, about 35% of dock issues stem from USB-C connection faults. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it may require hardware troubleshooting or a warranty claim.